Hey! In front of me is Vivo X80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this Vivo device. First of all, you need to locate voice recorder app and tap on it. Now select while using the app, or only this time, click on allow and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this black icon on the left, and if you wish to end it and save it, click on the square on the right. Now you can rename your recording by choosing this pen icon over here, typing it wherever you wish to and choosing OK. You can play it by clicking on this little icon, selecting allow, and if you wish to delete it, click on this bean one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!